Good day, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about solving word problems involving mixture problems, money problems, and work problems. But before that, don't forget to share and subscribe to this video. Share this with your classmates and friends, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section, and finally, please do not skip the ads in this video. Thanks. And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about mixture problem, money problem, and work problems. Mixture problems example. How many liters of 20% of alcohol solution should be added to a 450 liters solution which contains 35% alcohol so that the resulting mixture will be 30% alcohol? Okay. So we're looking for the number of liters. Di pa natin alam kung ilan yung number of liters, no? Na i-mixture natin sa isang solution. So let's have this equation. Okay? Let me choose my pen first. The color of my pen. Okay. So let's have the number of mixtures. So the number of liters of the 20% alcohol solution. So we have X for that. Okay. And then another is, so let's say this is the number of liters of the 20% alcohol solution. Alcohol solution. And then for another one, so let us say this one, we have 0.20, which is the 20%. Sabi dito, 20% alcohol solution will be added to 450. So let's say that we have 20% X will be the amount of alcohol in the solution. In the solution. And then we have another is we have 35% alcohol, right? 35% alcohol um, in a 450 liters. So, gagawin natin, kukunin natin yung 35% ng alcohol doon sa solution na 450 liters. Para makuha yon 35% nito, i-multiply natin si 0.35, which is the decimal form for the 35%, kay 450 liters. So, this is the amount of alcohol in the 35%. So, amount of alcohol in the 35% solution. And finally, we have the amount of alcohol in the final solution. So, ang gagawin lang natin is just, we will multiply the 30% kasi the resulting mixture will be 30% alcohol. So, that is 0.35, 30, I'm sorry, that's 30%, times X plus 450. We don't know yet the number of liters, right? So, pero meron na tayong 450 liters na given. Pero hindi pa natin alam kung ilang liters yung sa 20% alcohol solution. So, that is for the total or final solution. So, this is the final solution. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin is that we will just, multiply 0.20 plus, I'm sorry, 0.20x, then plus 0.35 times 450 equals 0.30 quantity x plus 450. So, paano yon? Let's have the solution. We have 0.20 x plus, ito yan. Yung next is 0.35 times 450, okay, equals 0.30 times x plus 450. Okay. Next thing is we will multiply this two. So that is 157.5. So we have 0.20 x plus 157.5 equals 0.30 times x is 0.30x minus plus 135. Okay, so we have 0.30x plus 0.30 times 450 is 135. Okay. Ngayon, ililipat ko si 0.30 sa kabila, so that will become, or siguro, ililipat ko na lang si 135, no? So, si 135, pag nilipat ko, that is 157.5. Ito yan. Minus 135 equals, okay, so 0.30 ang matitira kasi nilipat ko si 135 x. Then, ililipat ko naman ito. So, magiging negative. Negative 0.20 x. Okay. Next thing to do is that, syempre, ima-minus natin yung dalawang equation natin. So, ang makukuha natin is 22.5 here. Okay, ayusin ko lang. This is 22.5 equals 0.30 minus 0.20 is 0.10 x. Now, divide both sides by 0.10 para matira lang yung x. At para makuha na natin yung number of liters, kasi we're looking for the number of liters of the 20% solution or alcohol solution. So therefore, the answer is 225. So we have 225 liters for the 20% alcohol solution. I repeat, the problem is how many liters of 20% alcohol solution should be added to a 450. I-add natin should be added to a 450 liters with 35% alcohol. So, to a 450 which contains 35% alcohol. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin natin yung 35% alcohol ng 450 liters na solution. Yung ito, liters, X pa yan. Pero meron na siyang alcohol na 0.20. Nakikita niya, ito yung alcohol, yung X, ito yung 0.20. Ito yung alcohol, yung 450, ito yung 0.35. Equals, we don't know yet kung ano yung solution ng 0.30% alcohol. Pero ang ginawa natin is X plus 450. Kumbaga, inad natin yung solution ng 35% doon sa liters ng solution ng 20%. So that is X plus 450. So we have X plus 450. After that, inequate lang natin yung equation. Okay? So para makuha natin yung number of liters na mayroon sa 20% alcohol solution, and that is 225 liters. Okay. So, next, we have the money problems. Kristine has 84 bills containing 10 pesos and 50 pesos. So, meron siyang 84 bills na tig 10 at saka tig 50. If the total amount of her money is 3,280, how many pieces of each kind of bill does she have? So, hinahanap natin is each kind of bill na meron siya. Okay. So, let's say here, so let me use my pen first. Alright. So, meron daw 84 bills si Kristine. Yung 84 bills na yun, meron tig 10 at saka tig 50. Yung total amount nung pera niya is 3,280. Magkano daw, o tigi ilang piraso daw kada bill ng 10 at 50 para makabuo siya ng 3,280 na kung saan ang bilang ng mga bills na yun ay 84 lamang. Okay, so let's say that X, okay, is the number of 10 peso bill. And let's say that 84, yung matitira doon sa, I'm sorry, yung iba na nasa 84 ay 84 minus X. And let's say na ito ay mga 50 pesos. Kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung X na yun eh. So, hindi natin alam kung ilang 10 meron siya at ilang 50 meron siya. So, let's say na lang na merong X na tig 10 at merong 84 minus X na tig 50. Okay? So, let's say now that 10x is the total amount for 10 pesos. Total amount for 10 peso bill. And let's say that 50 times 84 minus x is the total amount or the total number of money, okay, for 50 pesos. Okay? So, ito yung mga gagamitin natin sa equation natin. Ulitin ko. Meron tayong x na tig sa 10 piso at 84 minus x na tig 50. Ibig sabihin, kung i-minus mo si 84 dun sa number ng tig sa 10, yung matitira sila yung tig 50. Ngayon, para makuha natin yung solution dyan, ang gagawin lang natin is we will just do the equation of 10x plus 50, okay, then 84 minus x equals 3,280. And then we have 10x plus, what is 50 times 84? 4,200. So we have 4,200 minus 50 times x is 50x. Diba? Distribute yan. Equals 3,280. Next, ililipat ko si 4,200 sa kabila. So, magiging negative 4,200. Then, ika-cancel ko na to. So, 10 minus negative 50 is negative 40x equals 3,280 minus 4,200 is negative 920. Then divide both sides by negative 40 to cancel negative 40 and to retain x alone. And then x now, since pareho silang negative, so the answer is positive. So 920 divided 40 is 23. So the number of 10 peso bill, so ibahin natin yung color ng pen. The number of 10 peso bill is x equals 23. And the number of 50 peso bill is 84 minus x, which is 23, is equal to 61. So therefore, mayroon siyang tig sa 23 na tig sa 10 at 61 na tig 50 na kapag pinag-add mo yung mga yon, ang total nila ay 3,280. Did you get it? So mention 23 number of 10 peso bills and 61 number of 50 peso bills. Next, work problems. Suppose Amy can complete a typing project of 6 days while Cynthia can complete it in 4 days. If they both work on the same project together, how long will it take them to complete the project? So, kumbaga, kung si Amy daw, kaya niyang gumawa or mag-type in 6 days, si Cynthia, kaya niyang tapusin in 4 days, kung pagtutulungan nila yon, ilang araw silang matatapos or gaano kabilis silang matatapos. So, okay, let me have my pen, blue. Let's say that si Amy, kaya niyang tapusin ang trabaho niya in 6 days. In unit of hour, unit of work per hour, kumbaga per hour, work rate, parang ganon, that is 1/6. No? And then si Cynthia, kaya niyang tapusin yung work niya into 4 days, and in unit of work rate, that is 1/4. So, parang nilalagyan lang sila or parang kinukuha lang yung reciprocal. Parang ganun siya. Okay? If they work together, so together, they will work. Ayan, ganyan yung together natin. Together, they will work. That is x. So, we don't know kung ano yung x na yon. Okay? So, that is 1/x. So, to solve this one, so let's try kung makukuha natin siya, no? Okay, let's try. So, let's have 1/6 plus, kasi they work together, so i-add natin yung kanilang kayang gawin, yung kanilang rate of work, and that is 1/x. So, kukunin lang natin ito, at saka ito. So, okay. So, i-multiply natin, or what should I say? I-distribute ko, i-cross multiply ko ang x kay 1/6 at saka kay 1/4. Okay? Or, sabagay, pwede naman. So, pwede kong i-cross multiply ito sa kanila. Kumbaga, i-distribute ko si x times 1/6 at saka x times 1/4 para makancel ko si x dito at matira na lang yung 1. So, that is 1/6x plus 1/4 x equals 1. So, naging 1 na lang siya. Na? Kasi, kumbaga, itong x na to, binigay ko siya kay x, kay 1/6, saka kay 1/4. Distributive. Then, after that, kukunin natin yung LCD ng 6 and 4. And that is 12. Okay? Siyempre, ganun din yung gagawin natin kay 1. So, we have 12 divided by 6 is 2 times 1, 2x. Plus 12 divided by 4 is 3 times 1 is 3x. And then 12 times 1 is 12. Or, sige, 1 muna siya. Then, after that, dito na yung next ano natin. After that is hindi pala pwedeng i-multiply i-multiply si 1 kay 12. So sorry for that. No, 1 i-bring down lang natin si 1. Then after that is we will add 5x and 3x, and that is 2x and 3x, that is 5x over 12 equals 1. And then we will do a cross multiplication. So 12 times 1 is 12. So we have 5x equals 12. Then divide both sides by 5. Okay? So x is equal to 12 over 5. Okay? Or, pag kinuha mo yan, ibig sabihin daw, teka lang, 12 over 5. Ayan. Or, ano ba yung fraction nito? Mixed number niya is 2 and 2 over 5, tama? Kasi, ilang 5 yan sa 12? So, 2. 2 times 5, 10. Minus 12, 2 over, copy the denominator, 5. So, ibig sabihin, kung mag-work si Cynthia at si Amy together, aabutan ng 2 days and 2 and 2 over 5 days para matapos sila pareho. Para matapos silang dalawa. No? So, yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Ulitin ko. Si Amy, kaya niyang tapusin yung trabaho niya into 6 days. Ang rate nito ay 1 over 6. Okay? Si Cynthia, kaya niyang tapusin into 4 days, so ang kanyang work rate ay 1/4. If they work together, that is x, kasi hindi pa natin alam, that's 1 over x. Tapos, kinapin natin sila, so if they work together, what will be, or how long will it take? Then, after that, dinistribute natin si x kay 1 over 6 and 1 over 4. So, that becomes 1 over 6x plus 1 over x. Since na-distribute na natin siya, parang cross multiplication lang yan, aalisin na natin siya sa denominator. So, magiging 1 na lang dito. After that, we will get the LCD of 6 and 4, and that is 12. Because they are both divisible by 12. Tapos, 12 divided 6 is 2 times 1, 2x. Copy the sign plus. 12 divided 4 is 3 times 1 is 3x equals 1. Then, i-add natin, 2 plus 3 is 5x over 12. Then, i-cross multiply ko si 12 kay 1. So, 12 times 1 is 12. Then, i-divide ko si 5 by 5 para makancel siya. And ganun din ang gagawin ko kay 12. Therefore, x equals 12 over 5. Or, in a mixed number, kasi improper fraction yan, magiging 2 and 2 over 5. So, aabutin ng 2 and 2 over 5 days bago ma-complete yung project nila if they work together. Did you get it? So, that's all about solving word problems involving mixture problem, money problem, and work problem. I hope you learned something for today's discussion, and good day, everyone.